Guys, it's got like a little hiccup going down the track. I mean, we get off the line, it goes, I'd say about after the 60, it's got like a hiccup or a miss or something. Checking the plugs real quick, but I think around the electrode, it's pretty round. I haven't changed the plugs in this thing for about 2 years. That's my fault. I guess I'm going to have to get some new plugs. I've already put my entry fee in. Tonight, do I run? I mean, the car's still banging a high 5, but is it safe? Probably not. But I've made more bad decisions than this before. Guess I'll just have to get some plugs coming next week. I checked the fuel pump. I checked the fuel trim. Everything's looking good on it. Because usually when it does this, it's usually a fuel pump going down, and it's not the fuel pump or the fuel pumps. But anyway, guys, I'll get back with you. My buddy Todd's told us we're going to jerk plugs out of his car since his car's disabled for right now, and we're going to use his plugs. What a friend. Got brand new plugs. Well, boys and girls, we're putting new plugs in it. It still has a little slight of a ticking noise. I don't know if it's the oxygen sensor. I don't know. But you know what? I believe we're just going to throw the hood on it and hope for the best. Come on, Edward. Look like you're on a few less cylinders than usual.